Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are well and also doing your exam well. So, students, today we learn our 11th chapter of Value Education. Yes, and the chapter name is Be a Good Child. Here it is. Okay, as we talked about the lesson, Be a Good Child. So, everyone, like parents and our relatives, our elders, all want to be us as a children a good one. Nobody want a child called bad. He's a bad child. He's a very naughty child. Expect also children doesn't want to call them as a bad child, right? So it's our duty to be always a good one, doing good deeds, good things, helping each other. So it's all about this story. We learn through this story how to be a good child, not a naughty one. Okay, so through this story we start this lesson. So this is our chapter, page number is 44, 11th chapter, Be a Good Child. So here it is. Everyone will love you if you are well behaved. Yes, obviously, if you are well behaved and good child, not too naughty, so everyone will love you, right? Start with this. Your cousin comes to stay with you. He is very naughty. He likes to break things and tear books. What will you do? So what will your answer? Here's option. Become naughty and join him. And second one is, explain to him that it is bad manners to behave like this. For me, it's a second one. So, tick a right here. So, now start our story. It's a story about a little monkey, a naughty monkey. Name is Dodo. Dodo, the naughty monkey. Dodo lived with his mother in the monkey colony. He was very naughty. He troubled all his neighbors. Every day they came and complained to his mother. Dodo broke our chair today. Dodo came to my kitchen and ate all the food. Dodo threw my clothes in the neighbor's house. These all three are showing complaints. They complain to his mother. Dodo's mother scolded him, but he did not listen to her. One afternoon, Dodo went to his neighbor's garden. There were many mangoes hanging from a tree. He was very happy. He ate many of them when he was full. He peeled the rest and threw them all over the garden. He really enjoyed doing this, so he went to many other houses and did the same. In the evening, the neighbors saw their gardens. They were very angry. They came to Dodo's house. They said to his mother, "We are very fed up of Dodo. If he doesn't change, you will have to leave this colony and go somewhere else." Dodo's mother said sorry to them and started weeping. As you see, she is weeping, she is crying. Dodo felt very bad when he saw her crying. He saw her mother crying. He said, "Mommy, I'm very sorry. I will never be naughty again. Please don't cry." He also said sorry to his neighbors. From that day, Dodo became a good monkey. His mother and the neighbors were happy with him now. So as you see about this story, the monkey name is Dodo. But Dodo was a very naughty monkey. He did very bad things, very naughty things to their neighbors. At the time when he ate all the mangoes, eating is a good, but when he throws and wasted all of these, that is a bad thing. And always naughtiness, always bad things, doing bad things to other people without their consent, taking other things without asking for them. So that is So students, what you learn from this story? Yes, we never be too naughty. Little bit naughty is okay, but not be too naughty. That will disturb others, our family members, embarrass our parents. Okay, so don't be too naughty, because little naughtiness is good, but over is very bad. And if we also doesn't like to call other people that we are very naughty child, right? Okay, so children, learn through this story and read it again 2 times.